Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter in your vehicle, specifically this Honda Civic 2009, in under 3 minutes. This is something else the dealership would charge an arm and a leg to do. I've heard reports that people get this done at the Honda dealership, pay about 80 bucks for a simple task. So, you know, buy the $17 filter, change it yourself, you'll be a lot better off. So, to get to the cabin air filter, like most vehicles, it's behind the glove box, pretty easy to get to. But so go ahead and open your glove box. To get to the filter, you're going to press on both sides of the glove box here to release the tabs in the back. Okay, then the glove box is going to release. It's going to fall down. It does have a catch on this one, so it's not going to fall completely on the floor. I do suggest that your the contents of your glove box be empty, or else it's going to be on the floorboard of the vehicle, obviously. So, all right. So from here, the actual filter is in this little box here. There's a tab on each side to release. Try to get my hands free here. It's a tab on each side. It's gonna do that. Pull it out. It's very simple on this one. Note here it has the airflow indicator, so which is gonna match the airflow indicator symbol on your filter. And I'll show you that in a second. This one's pretty dirty. Hasn't been changed in quite a while. Actually, I can't remember the last time we changed this one. But it's actually pretty dirty. So, gonna get that out of the way. Actually, before I do, I'm gonna show you the, see the airflow indicator there? So it's gotta match, make sure it's pointing down when you put the new one in. The new one, I'm using a Wix. This is about 17 bucks. Part number 24815. Very good filters, highly recommend. Pretty good bang for the buck. So let me get my hands free here, get this out of the box. Let's say it's crazy how much the dealership charges for simple stuff like this, and you know, a lot of people just don't understand. All right, so there is our airflow indicator there. It's pointing down, so I'm gonna put it downward in the filter housing here. Get my hands free here. Put that down. Twist it up there. So then we're just going to insert it back in here. Push straight in. And just do the reverse here. Push the sides of the bin back in. Push it up. There you go. You just saved yourself a lot of money and time waiting at the dealership. If you guys enjoy this content, like, share, subscribe. The videos will get better, more in depth. Right now, this is just simple stuff that I have to get done. We'll be traveling obviously for the holidays and won't have a lot of spare time to do this stuff. So I'm just trying to get these couple things knocked out before we actually start, you know, bigger projects. So thank you guys for watching.